Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you are enjoying all the videos which I have been posting based on mental addition and mental subtraction of numbers, which forms the base of higher calculations. So whether you are 3 years, 4 years, 5 years old, or you are 50 years old, these tricks or hacks of mental addition and subtraction will help each and every individual, whether you are at school level or college level or preparing for any placement exams or already in some exams. To upskill yourself, you need to watch all these videos and share it with all your friends. If you want a compilation of all these videos at one place, then you have to send me a message on WhatsApp. 9896369963 is the WhatsApp number. I'll tell you how to get a copy of this amazing short trick collection which will help you in upskilling yourself. So what do we have in this video? Chapter number 1, which is add and subtract 10x faster. That is the quant aptitude book which we have, and this is the very important topic of no borrowing trick. That means we have a trick where the problems which involve borrowing, and that's where most of the students commit errors in subtraction, right? So what will happen if no borrowing is converted to that easy thing which will help each and every teacher and each and every student. So borrowing method will obviously be difficult. No borrowing trick will help you in subtracting without errors. So what's the concept of the trick? What do we mean by converting borrowing to no borrowing? I'll take a very simple example first. Suppose I have to do 83 minus 37. Now we all know that this involves borrowing because the unit digit here is smaller than the unit digit at the base here number, right? So the students they borrow 1 from here, and in turn they borrow 10 actually. So the 3 becomes 13, and when that's how they do the 13 minus 7, and that's the traditional approach of subtracting the numbers. I don't want to get into that. So what should we do to convert this problem of borrowing into a problem of not borrowing? Now see what is the best trick for that. Now instead of subtracting 37, can we subtract something which is more convenient to us? Maybe converting it to a base number, which we have done in our earlier videos also. If I visualize this 37 as 40. Now what did I do? I increased this number by 3, right? Plus 3. So what do I have to do to 83? I have to increase this number also by 3. So 83 becomes 86. Now which one do you think is easier? Doing this or doing this? And I am sure you are going to say that doing 86 minus 40 is far more easier than doing 83 minus 37. Isn't that easy? Now, what is the answer for this question? Let's get through this. 86 minus 40, because you don't have to subtract anything from 6, it retains its place. 8 minus 4 is 4, so you get the answer as 46. Now, 86 minus 40 is 46. The same answer will be for 83 minus 37 because we increased both the numbers by the same quantity. So that is the concept used in the trick. Now you can even reduce it. I'll show you how. Suppose you have a number like 121 and we are subtracting 73 from this. Now 73 has just 3 more than 70, right? So if I reduce this number by 3, can I reduce this number by 3 and get a new number? 121 minus 3 is 118. And 73 minus 3 obviously is 70. Now which one do you think is easier? The second one, right? Because you don't have to change the 8. So that remains as it is. And 11 minus 7 is 4. So the answer for the question 121 minus 73 is 48. So either increase both the numbers by the same amount or decrease both the numbers by the same amount so that the second number has a number which has a 0 here or a number smaller than at least this unit digit. Let's practice this. You will understand it in a better manner. So 43 minus 27. So if I add 3 to this will become 30, and I have to add 3 to this also, so this becomes 46, and 46 minus 30 is 16, which is our answer for the subtraction problem. Likewise, 761 minus 139. Now 139 is very close to 140, so I'll add 1 to this, so this becomes 140, and in turn I have to add 1 to 761 also, which becomes 762. Now the 2 doesn't change, so 2 comes as it is. All I have to do is to subtract 76 and 14. 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 1 is 6. You have the answer 622. Likewise, I can go on and show you so many examples. What's this? 831 and 456. How about adding 4 to this and making it 460? So I have to add 4 to this also. So this becomes 835. Now subtracting is easy because 5 retains its place, and then 83 minus 46 can be again done like that, the similar manner which I told you just now. So 83 minus 46, if I increase this by 4, 83 becomes 87 and this becomes 50. Subtraction is very easy, 37. So 375 is the difference of the numbers here, these two numbers. Likewise, 7347 minus 698. Very easy because this is plus 2, so 700, and if you increase this by 2, you get 7349. Now 49 doesn't change because you have 2 zeros, so 49 remains as it is. All you have to do is 73 minus 7, which is 66, and you get the answer 6649. Let's carry on. Bigger numbers. Here we have a 5-digit number. So 98435 subtract 3439. Now either you can do 1-digit addition here, so this will become 3440, right? And this will become plus 1, so 98436. And now I can subtract very easily because see, here we have 6 minus 0, which is 6 itself, and now the remaining part 9843, and I have to subtract 344 from this. So instead of thinking like this, I can add 6 to these two results, like 9849, and this becomes 350. So this will be far more easier. Then this becomes 9, and then 14 minus 5 is 9 again, and then 7 minus 3 is 4, and then the 9. So 9499, 94996 is the answer for the question. And likewise, here see this number and this number, when increased by 22, so it all depends on your skill, you know, how many steps you will take, it all depends on how much you have practiced. So plus 22 fetches me 1000, and plus 22 here gives me 501. 13 plus 22 is 35, and so I just have to reduce 50,135 by 1000, which gives me 49,135 as the answer for the question. And likewise, you can go on and practice. I hope this trick of converting the borrowing problem into a no borrowing problem helps you, and even the teachers who are watching this, you know, you need to put in the students this habit of thinking about the numbers like this right from the elementary school level, where the students are picking up these concepts, and you know, at least when they grow up and get into those classes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, they are not doing the traditional approach by writing one below the other, the numbers to be subtracted. So friends, if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and hit the bell icon for getting all the notifications on your mobile itself. And you know, there is another feature, do give it a like if you really like the video, the content, and it will open an option of hyping the video. So if you click the hype button, it has greater chances of reaching the audiences. So friends, I hope you like this video, and practice is a must. Do practice so that you feel more confident. All the best.